In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create desktop shortcuts for different Google Chrome profiles. To begin, open Google Chrome. Make sure you are already using the correct Chrome profile before you continue. If you use more than one profile, take a moment to confirm that you are in the right one before moving on. Next, navigate to the website that you want to turn into a desktop shortcut. Let the page fully load so you can confirm that you are on the correct site. Once you are on the website, look to the top right corner of the Chrome window and click the 3 vertical dots. From that menu, hover over More Tools. A side menu will appear. In that side menu, select Create Shortcut. A small window will then appear asking you to name the shortcut. Enter the name you want to use. It is usually best to choose a clear and recognizable name so the shortcut is easy to find later on your desktop. After naming it, click Create. Chrome will then create the desktop shortcut for that website using the profile you started with. Once the shortcut appears on your desktop, you can double-click it any time to quickly open that site without manually browsing to it each time. That covers everything you need to know.